Hello and welcome. Gear up for 30 exciting questions that will put your skills to the test. Not subscribed yet? Join our community today to access new quizzes every week, engaging educational content, and a fun learning experience. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. What are the three main types of rocks? Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. Hard, soft, liquid. Magma, lava, sandstone. The correct answer is igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. Here's an interesting fact: rocks are classified into igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic based on how they are formed. Which type of rock forms from cooled lava? Sedimentary. Igneous. Metamorphic. The correct answer is igneous. Here's an interesting fact: igneous rocks form when molten lava or magma cools and solidifies. What type of rock is formed under heat and pressure? Igneous. Metamorphic. Sedimentary. The correct answer is metamorphic. Here's an interesting fact: metamorphic rocks are created when existing rocks undergo heat and pressure changes. Which type of rock is formed from compacted layers of sediment? Igneous. Sedimentary. Metamorphic. The correct answer is sedimentary. Here's an interesting fact: sedimentary rocks are formed when layers of minerals and organic material compress over time. What is an example of an igneous rock? Granite. Limestone. Marble. The correct answer is granite. Here's an interesting fact: granite is an igneous rock that forms from cooled magma beneath the Earth's surface. What is an example of a sedimentary rock? Basalt. Sandstone. Marble. The correct answer is sandstone. Here's an interesting fact: sandstone is a sedimentary rock formed from compacted sand particles. What is an example of a metamorphic rock? Limestone. Slate. Obsidian. The correct answer is slate. Here's an interesting fact: slate is a metamorphic rock that forms from shale under heat and pressure. How are fossils formed? From animal footprints. From bones and shells being buried and preserved. From volcanic eruptions. The correct answer is from bones and shells being buried and preserved. Here's an interesting fact: fossils form when dead plants or animals are buried by sediment and preserved over millions of years. What do fossils tell us? The weight of dinosaurs. Past life and environments. The future of Earth. The correct answer is past life and environments. Here's an interesting fact: fossils provide evidence of ancient plants, animals, and how Earth's environment has changed. What type of rock contains fossils? Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. The correct answer is sedimentary. Here's an interesting fact: fossils are found in sedimentary rocks because they form in layers that preserve remains. What happens to rocks in the rock cycle? They disappear. They change from one type to another. They become fossils instantly. The correct answer is, they change from one type to another. Here's an interesting fact: the rock cycle is a continuous process where rocks change between igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic forms. What process breaks down rocks into smaller pieces? Melting, erosion, crystallization. The correct answer is erosion. Here's an interesting fact: erosion is the process of wind, water, and ice breaking down rocks into smaller pieces. What is magma? Melted rock inside the earth. Frozen lava. A type of fossil. The correct answer is melted rock inside the earth. Here's an interesting fact: magma is molten rock beneath the Earth's surface that forms igneous rocks when it cools. What is lava? Melted rock that has erupted from a volcano. A type of fossil. A sedimentary rock. The correct answer is melted rock that has erupted from a volcano. Here's an interesting fact: lava is magma that reaches the Earth's surface and cools to form igneous rock. How does sedimentary rock turn into metamorphic rock? By cooling quickly. By extreme heat and pressure. By melting completely. The correct answer is, by extreme heat and pressure. Here's an interesting fact: sedimentary rock transforms into metamorphic rock when exposed to high heat and pressure. Which type of rock is formed from volcanic eruptions? Metamorphic, sedimentary, igneous. The correct answer is igneous. Here's an interesting fact: igneous rocks form when molten lava cools after a volcanic eruption. What can fossils be found in? Magma, sedimentary rock, metal. The correct answer is sedimentary rock. Here's an interesting fact: fossils are preserved in sedimentary rock, which forms from layers of sediments. What is an example of a fossil? A dinosaur bone turned to stone. A piece of coal. A granite rock. The correct answer is a dinosaur bone turned to stone. Here's an interesting fact: Fossils form when bones and shells are replaced by minerals over time. What causes rocks to change in the rock cycle? Water and animals. Heat, pressure, and erosion. Electricity and sound. The correct answer is heat, pressure, and erosion. Here's an interesting fact: rocks change due to natural processes like heat, pressure, and erosion. What type of rock is marble? Igneous. Metamorphic. Sedimentary. The correct answer is metamorphic. Here's an interesting fact: marble is a metamorphic rock that forms from limestone under heat and pressure. What is weathering? The breakdown of rocks by natural forces. The movement of rocks underground. The melting of ice. The correct answer is the breakdown of rocks by natural forces. Here's an interesting fact: weathering occurs when rocks break down due to wind, water, and temperature changes. What are fossils usually made of? Wood. Mineralized bones and shells. Plastic. The correct answer is mineralized bones and shells. Here's an interesting fact: over time, bones and shells turn into rock through mineralization. What rock is used to make chalk? Granite. Limestone. Obsidian. The correct answer is limestone. Here's an interesting fact: chalk is made from limestone, which is formed from ancient marine organisms. What is the hardest natural mineral found in rocks? Quartz. Diamond. Gold. The correct answer is diamond. Here's an interesting fact: diamond is the hardest known natural mineral, found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Which rock is often used in construction? Marble. Obsidian. Pumice. The correct answer is marble. Here's an interesting fact: marble is widely used for buildings, countertops, and sculptures. Which rock is commonly used in making glass? Quartz. Basalt. Coal. The correct answer is quartz. Here's an interesting fact: quartz is a key ingredient in making glass due to its silica content. What type of rock is coal? Igneous. Sedimentary. Metamorphic. The correct answer is sedimentary. Here's an interesting fact: coal is a sedimentary rock formed from decayed plant material. How do scientists determine the age of fossils? By guessing. By studying rock layers and radiometric dating. By measuring weight. The correct answer is, by studying rock layers and radiometric dating. Here's an interesting fact. Scientists use rock layers and radiometric dating to estimate fossil ages. What rock is often used for roofing tiles? Granite, slate, lava rock. The correct answer is slate. Here's an interesting fact. Slate is a durable metamorphic rock commonly used for roofing. What happens to rocks when they are heated and then cooled? They melt into lava. They break apart. They change into a different type of rock. The correct answer is, they change into a different type of rock. Here's an interesting fact. Heat and cooling can transform rocks into new types in the rock cycle. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.